In this video, I'm breaking down where to score reliable appliance parts for way less cash than buying straight from the manufacturer. Because trust me, paying full price is overrated and unnecessary. You gotta know there are legit third-party sites out there that have your back with quality parts without emptying your wallet. First off, don't just settle for the first result on Google. Dig around, ask for catalogs from different suppliers, and open accounts wherever possible. This usually unlocks better pricing and access to more inventory. Amazon and eBay are gold mines for things like flame sensors, ignitors, thermostats, and all sorts of replacement parts, so don't sleep on those platforms. I've personally snagged a flame sensor and igniter for my gas dryer off Amazon and saved a bunch compared to manufacturer prices. Local appliance parts stores can be hit or miss, often overpriced or out of business. So online shopping is usually your best bet. Also, many appliance dealers won't even sell parts directly to homeowners because they want to keep repairs in-house, but that's no reason to pay their inflated prices. Just be patient, compare prices across sites, and read reviews to avoid getting stuck with junk parts. One of the biggest mistakes people make when hunting for appliance parts online is not verifying the part number or compatibility, which can lead to ordering the wrong piece and wasting money. Always double-check the model number of your appliance before buying anything. Another common issue is ignoring shipping costs or delivery times. Sometimes a cheap part ends up costing more once you factor in shipping fees or if you need it in a rush. To avoid this, look for sellers who offer free or discounted shipping and check estimated delivery dates up front. Lastly, some folks get scammed by buying from shady sellers with no reviews or guarantees, so stick with well-known platforms or verified stores that offer return policies in case something goes sideways. BigHomeProjects.com is super handy because it connects homeowners directly with trusted local contractors who know their stuff, making repairs smoother and less stressful. Plus, if you're a contractor looking to find more gigs, the site helps you link up with customers who actually need your expertise, so it's a win-win all around.